It all starts with giant plugs of EPS, which are essentially huge chunks of a special grade foam. Belt saws are then used to slice the EPS plugs into unshaped blanks, which are then cut all the way down the middle for the installation of a balsa wood rocker, which runs front to back down the middle, adding great strength and rigidity to the core of the boards. The blanks are then sent into shaping bays. Each board is hand-shaped, and in this 2-hour process, the blank is literally transformed into the shape of a perfect stand-up paddleboard. The shaped blanks are then lined up to begin the paint and lamination stages. Boards get their color scheme applied first directly to the foam blank. Once the paint dries, the lamination process starts, first with the application of a feeler coat. Then any logos or graphics are added, followed by a coat of epoxy resin. Fiberglass fabric is then layered on top of that, followed by another coat of epoxy resin, which then sets for a day. The use of quality epoxy is very important in this stage, as it provides durability, buoyancy, and is a very lightweight material. Once the feeler coat, fiberglass, and epoxy layers have all had time to set, the fin box, air vent, leash plug, and handle are all installed on the boards. These boards are known as soft tops and differ in that the entire top surface of the board is covered with a layer of rubber. Soft tops tend to be very popular in rental fleets and in many resorts. After the fin boxes, air vents, leash plugs, and handles are all installed, the boards are sent into sanding bays for a 45-minute final smoothing over in preparation for polishing. In the final polishing stage, a glossy resin coat is applied to the entire board, which then after a couple hours of drying is buffed out into a glossy, shiny finish. The boards then need to sit still for about a week for a curing period. The entire process from EPS foam plugs to boards that are ready for paddling takes about 3 weeks. And this week we completed a production of over 400 boards, which will now be boxed and distributed around the world.